So we got the cam from Crower today. Oh, we got a shirt. Unpackage everything.
Couple of shirts.
Yep, couple shirts. Takes up the dead space that's in here. Okay, so we've got all of our parts out here that we got from Crower. This is our custom cam that they built for our application. So it's customized based on what we are doing with our car as far as transmission, engine, everything goes. This is the dual spring with a dampener. So when we first start this, we'll break it in with just this spring. So, and then we'll have to take everything back out and put all the springs back in. Chromoly retainers, locks. So here's our solid lifter. It has cool faced oiling. So you basically see this hole here. Oil comes in, comes out. And then we've got one here that pushes up on.
So the oiling system, the oil goes into the lifter on the side, and it enters through that hole. Then it goes up through the push rod from the top to go up to the top to lubricate the rocker arms. But this one also has a very small, it's a wire EDM hole, and it's off center because the lifter's in a flat tappet cam spin. So as this one is going around on the cam and it's spinning and the oil is coming out, it's going around and oiling the face of the lifter. So it's always getting oil to help survive at higher RPMs and higher spring pressures.
And then we've got our rocker here. So we need to make sure that when we install them, there's a flat, and then you can see here, there's a rounded. So we always want to make sure that when we're setting them, we set them on the flat. So.
And this is a stainless body rocker, and it's called their Enduro Max, I believe. But because it's stainless body, it can have a much bigger bearing and shaft there. So that bigger bearing helps it survive on the long trips and the high RPM that we subject these things to.
And we got a little bit of swag from them, some stickers and whatnot, but Crower is a big supporter in the drag and drives, so we really try to support the guys that support what we do. So this is huge for us to work with Crower on this, especially with the custom cam. They were awesome to work with, so we will keep you guys posted on how everything goes, but we're pretty excited about working with Crower on this.
So here's a look at that Innovators West balancer on this 300 inline 6. This is the one that we pulled out, but we only have one balancer, so we got to swap it onto the other engine as well. But we made a timing pointer for the top. It's just barely on the crank. It's not installed, so it's spaced way out. It normally sits closer to the timing cover. And then those magnets that are on the outside of the wheel line up with this. I mean, it's basically just a non-magnetic MSD crank trigger pickup. Same one you would use in an MSD flying magnet setup. But then it just reads the magnet as it comes around. But the part number on this, here, just pull this off so you can see. Someone had asked what the part number is, but it's got an SFI number, and then the part number is just listed as Custom 3 Mag. But they built this one for the use of it's a zero balance, and then just has the 3 magnets for a inline 6.